Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Tap on the stopwatch tab at the bottom of the screen. On the stopwatch screen, you will find a green start button. Tap on this green button to start the stopwatch. As the stopwatch runs, you can record lap times by tapping on the gray lap button next to the start button. To stop the stopwatch, tap the red stop button that appears in the place of the start button. Finally, tap on the gray reset button that appears instead of the lap button to reset the stopwatch. And this is how you can use the stopwatch on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.